Welcome to NappyCast. Here comes Old Man Winter, Arctic cold front coming down from Canada, and there it is, low pressure heading down towards Maine. Yeah, temperature tomorrow on Tuesday is going to go down during the day, not up. So kind of upside down temperatures that are coming our way as we get into the work week just a little bit more, right? So just give it a little bit more time. There it is, surface analysis. You see that warm front, you see the cold front, and that's where things are going to change tomorrow. And look at the cloud cover. Yeah, this cloud cover right here, yeah, that's the sign of the front that's coming through. All these clouds are coming down. Snow squalls are going to break out again, especially up in the county and in the western mountains. Much like yesterday, although this cold front does mean business. It's going to bring the temperature down from today of 40s along the coastline down to the 20s. So it's going to really drop the temperature tomorrow as we get into the afternoon. Look at the forecast now and show things now as we get into tonight and then Tuesday. Watch that front. And here is the front right here. You see that front coming down from the northeast. So it's going to be moving through in the morning time, which means temperatures, even with the sunshine in the afternoon, are going to go down here. So that cold air is going to pour in from the north. Good old-fashioned cold front here in winter in Maine. Nothing too crazy, but yes, it is going to be a lot cooler Tuesday night when that front comes through. And then on Wednesday, here's the snowstorm. It's a Clipper, Alberta Clipper, and here is that storm coming through the Great Lakes with the snowfall activity. So there is the snow moving into the Gulf of Maine. It's light. It's fluffy. It's not going to be overly heavy, but we will get some snow, generally a dusting to an inch from this as it comes through. So here's that forecast now. Take things off hour by hour. I want to get you right into Wednesday. So Wednesday morning commute and Wednesday afternoon. That's where it'll be slippery. Now, it only takes a dusting to an inch to make the road slippery, especially if they're untreated. So, yes, while this is not going to be anything close to a significant snowstorm as far as amounts go, it will be slippery. It also is going to be windy. Here is your storm in the Gulf of Maine. Alberta Clipper, moisture starved. Here's the snow, Adirondacks, back towards the green and white mountains, heading up into Maine. So with that track along the coastline, the better opportunity for snow is going to be coastline as far as amounts go. But it's not going to be overly heavy. It'll be in and out of here during the day Wednesday. If we clear out on Thursday, some light snow Friday morning. Not really noticed much of that. And then the next opportunity is Friday night. Here comes this storm coming in. This is more like kind of moisture riding along a boundary. And this, a little bit of moisture. So if you have plans Friday night late, this is right around 1 o'clock in the morning, Friday night to Saturday morning. So there's some opportunity here for some light snow, especially along the coastline as that storm comes in. But notice here, temperatures are warmer. It's raining in southern New England Friday night as opposed to snow. Then put the map into motion. Saturday, high pressure comes in. We're going to clear out. Here's a big old high pressure system coming in. We'll clear out. We'll cool down. And then into Sunday night, into Monday, another opportunity for more moisture coming in from the west. This storm up to the north just a bit, and it's warmer. So you've got rain along the coast. You've got snow, capital region heading up north, Interstate 95, heading up to Bangor, heading up to Katahdin region. And this right here is snow. So that is a Sunday night to Monday morning. And then I'll put things into motion. That pulls out of here. It gets very windy. Look, tightly packed isobars as we get into Monday afternoon, which means the atmosphere is trying to balance itself. And the atmosphere is always trying to balance itself. So we've got high to low pressure. So as this storm to the east here, quick little explainer on the wind, starts to get stronger, and you get this high coming in from the west here. So the high pressure is always going to low pressure in the wind. So that high comes in. The stronger that low is, the stronger the high is. Things trying to balance itself out. So it'll be windy on Monday too. Really, it's going to be a relatively windy week starting tomorrow with that Arctic front. So we'll pick things back up Monday of next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, all clear. And here's another opportunity for a storm. This is next Friday as we get into February. So we get deeper into the time frame here, the next 10 days. So here's snow, cold enough to have snow right there. Actually, that's not the L. The L is down here. But here's the snow, is where the rain snow line. So you've got enough cold air in place here. There you go. cold air, so you get snow popping up. Now, this is obviously several days away. It's not for a week or so, but you got opportunity for more moisture. So what am I kind of getting at with this theme of more storms? I'm getting at the fact that we have a drought and we need, obviously, precipitation. So a moderate drought still going on. It's abnormally dry, Katahdin region, county, heading up to the North Woods, Western Mountains, the Carabasset Valley. But it is definitely still a drought going on for a good chunk of the state. So here's the forecast now. I want to take you deeper into February, really get you prepared for what's going to happen so you're not caught off guard. So in February, it's going to be very volatile, ending January into February. So we'll start off things here. This right now is the end of January. So January 27th, 28th here. And watch, I talked about this Arctic front. There it is. That's the Arctic front that's coming down with all of that cold air. So that is for tomorrow into Wednesday. This Arctic front's going to come through and just pour that cold air in. It's winter in Maine, fine. Okay, it's not a big deal. I get it. I'm not a Mainer, but it's going to be cold. Then, as that system on Wednesday pulls out, another reinforcing shot of cold air comes in. This is for Wednesday night into Thursday here. Notice this big ridge out west here. So the bigger the ridge is out west, the bigger the trough in the east. Atmosphere, Mother Nature, always trying to balance itself. So that pulls out of here. This is Wednesday, Thursday. Then it's a Friday. We get a brief warm-up Friday, make a run for the 40s, but more cold air pours in on Saturday. Once again, you've got your ridge out west here, ridge, and you've got your trough, okay? So you're getting cold air to pour back into Maine. This is for Saturday of the upcoming weekend, February 1st, or this weekend coming up. Then we warm up Sunday, and then again we get cold. So what am I getting at here as we get into February 5th is a very volatile pattern. We warm up again February 8th, we cool back down again afterwards, but really, temps are going to be up and down. We're not going to be in the deep freeze for more than a day or two, and then things start to warm back up again with this very volatile weather highway with things going up and down. Temperature-wise here, so it's going to be chilly. Now, I want to show you, here's the Arctic front that's getting ready to reload and come in. This is up to the north and the west. There's your Arctic front that's going to be coming through. Now, this is Monday into Tuesday here. So temperatures are going to be cooling down. Here comes your Arctic front. Let me switch this up, change that. And then here comes your Arctic front in from the north, down from the north. There it is, from the north and the west in Canada. So here it is. This is Tuesday morning. So watch as I put map into motion. Boom, there's the cold air coming in. This is the wind chill, not the air temperature. So -4 in Bangor. Let me go back up here so you can see up in Presque Isle, -16. So the wind chills on Tuesday. Then put this map into motion again. So this is going to be Thursday morning. And you see here it's even colder. Presque Isle -20, Portland -1, Bangor -7. So there's where the coldest part of this air mass comes through. It's going to be really Thursday into Friday morning. But then with that southwest wind on Friday, we warm up. Then we cool down again, once again with the wind chill. So you get the idea here. It is going to be up and down. But winter far from over. This looks through March 9th at the average kind of snowfall output. And there's clearly plenty more snow to come here in the Northeast. Even snow here, we'll see how much we get down in the southern tier. But yes, winter far from over. They're still going. Ignore the snow amounts. Really, this is just a look at the trend. On NappyCast, you can always get the latest forecast, nappycast.com. You can put it on your phone, too, by clicking options on nappycast.com on your phone and setting it as a home screen, as a home page. So the forecast is updated right there. The video is there. It's usually about a minute, 2 minutes tops. Forecast for tomorrow is there. Nice big graphics I make there so you can see that. These temperatures, those highs are going to be early in the day, and then the temperature is going to crash. For today, we're making a run for 40, not quite at the coast, and then total snowfall on Wednesday. Most of this is Wednesday. Some of it's from the snow squalls today, but most of it Wednesday. I've got York and Cumberland in that 1 to 3 range, but really, I could draw a stripe here if I wanted to get, kind of cute, but I don't want to do that. But really, the coastline could be in that 1 to 3 range. But overall, this is not going to be, it's not about how much snow. It's really the fact that it's going to be windy and cold, and it's going to make the roads, your sidewalks, it's going to make it slippery. So we've got windy days coming and snow squalls again tomorrow. Temps drop, and then the Clipper gets in here. So there's that forecast. On jasonnappyweather.com, you're welcome to go ahead here and click on a blog. You get a full in-depth breakdown on the storm and what's going to be happening in the next several days. I've got the snow amounts there, the forecast I did yesterday, and I thank you so much for the support. It really is helping a lot. You can make a one-time donation. You can make it monthly. You can do whatever you want, yearly. You can pay with PayPal. It's all there for you on your credit card. Thank you so much. You are what is keeping nappycast.com going. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the comments, and have a great rest of your day.